Hurricane season 2009, and the Weather Channel is the hurricane authority. Now, your local on the 8s.
A flood watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 71 degrees with light rain. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, rain with a few rumbles of thunder. High 76. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Rainfall around a half an inch. Locally heavy rainfall possible. For tonight, showers and thunder showers likely. Low 69. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain 60%. On Monday, scattered thunderstorms in the morning becoming more widespread in the afternoon. High 78. Chance of rain 80%. The week ahead. Traffic conditions around our area.